Were you satisfied with your earnings the previous year? If not, is it possible for you to double your income? If your answer is no, then you are mistaken. You can double or triple your income. Sounds weird? There are a number of high-risk, high-reward choices available for people who want to double their money quickly. However, only when properly carried out, investing offers a great chance to boost your income. Here are 6 strategies which range from low risk to extremely speculative could help you double your money. Number 1. S&P 500 Index Fund Investment. One of the more appealing strategies for doubling your money is an index fund based on the Standard & Poor's 500 Index. A stock fund investment has more risk than a bank CD or a bond, but it is less dangerous than buying a few individual equities. The S&P 500 is a good choice for long-term investing because it includes 500 of America's biggest and most successful companies. The long-term return on the S&P 500 is also appealing, averagely roughly 10% yearly over extended periods. The average time it takes to double your money is therefore slightly over 7 years. However, any given year's return could be far different from the average, higher or lower. Long losing streaks can also occur for the S&P 500. During the 2000s, the index experienced a loss, but by returning 252%, that is more than tripling in the 2010s, and S&P 500 made up for it. You don't need a lot of investment knowledge to purchase an S&P 500 index fund, and it is simple to do so. Number 2. 401k Match. How easy was it for you to make money in the past? Utilizing an employer match on a 401k account is the easiest and lowest risk way to double your money. Following that, you can continue to use the plan's tax advantages to increase your retirement savings. For merely making contributions to their personal retirement plan, several firms provide their staff money. Employers, for instance, could deposit a tiny proportion of their own money to the account. So, if you contribute 5% of your salary, they might also contribute 5%. You still receive all the wonderful advantages of a 401k plan while earning money in the simplest, lowest risk manner possible. The one drawback is that some employers do require you to work for them for a specific amount of time, usually 3 or 4 years before the matching funds are fully vested. Number 3. Cryptocurrency and NFT trading. You have the chance to profit on the volatility of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. It's also a chance to lose money. But if you want to swiftly double your money, that's always part of the deal. Despite the fact that several cryptocurrencies have increased in value over the past year, their high levels of volatility make it difficult to cling onto them when they decline. When prices drop, it might be simple to buy high, sell low, and withdraw, which will result in you putting money in their pocket rather than your own. If you can't manage your positions, it is simple to lose money while trading cryptocurrencies. And there are many simpler and less dangerous ways to double your money. People are learning more about the potential applications of a digital economy due to the NFT movement, which is still very new. The sale of digital assets, for instance, can be quite advantageous to creators. However, purchasing an NFT as a collectible is a speculative and amorphous investment on the part of the buyer. Investing in digital assets at a low price and seeing a significant return on it has proven successful for certain investors. The ability of a certain asset to generate income after acquisition, such as through watching or relicensing fees, is another factor to take into account. NFTs are still developing. It looks good, but only time will tell if it will last or fade away. Number 4. Trade options and stock investment. One of the quickest ways to multiply your money or lose it all is to trade options. Although highly dangerous, options can be very profitable. However, you will need to take some risk in order to double your money with them. When you purchase call or put options, the highest gains and losses are experienced. You could be able to earn 2, 3, or even 4 times as much. Call option. At the time the option expires, a call option offers you the right, but not the duty, to buy a stock at a certain price and by a specified date. Put option. At the time the option expires, a put option gives you the right but not the duty to sell a stock at a specified price by a specific date. The premium you pay to hold an option contract may increase in value many times over. The option could expire entirely worthless, which is a drawback. Therefore, you won't want to stake all of your money on one roll of the option's dice. Additionally, traders can choose from lower risk but less rewarding option strategies. There is no excuse for not choosing a top broker to reduce your trading expenses while you're at it. Investing in value and growth stocks will also help you double your income. Although understanding value and growth companies can become rather technical, at their most fundamental level, both are equities that have the potential to beat the market. Value stocks are those that are underpriced in light of their fundamentals. Growth stocks, on the other hand, are those that are expanding faster than the market. Number 5. Real estate. Given its reputation for steady rather than rapid development, you might have thought investing in real estate may not seem like a good method to quickly double your money. However, if you consider how most deals are set up with a mortgage, you'll realize right away that purchasing a home might result in tripling. By investing in real estate, you might actually very easily double your money. This is due to the fact that mortgages, which are leveraged transactions, are frequently used by home buyers to finance their purchases. Here are 3 strategies to invest in real estate to double your money. Rent by room. Instead of renting out the entire house to a single tenant when renting out a residential property to tenants, you might want to think about renting out the property by the room. You may maximize the return on your property and boost your cash flow by doing this. Renting out individual room works successfully in several areas. College towns and highly populated urban areas are the greatest markets, and tenants in these areas are more likely to sign short-term leases or see higher tenant turnover. Fix and flip. One of the finest methods to make a lot of money investing in real estate is to fix and flip. You can also produce a significant return in a short period of time due to it. Finding strategies to reduce remodeling costs is the most difficult aspect of carrying out a fix and flip. It is great if you can learn how to carry out simple renovation tasks yourself, such as installing flooring, painting, or landscaping. When it comes to more specialized tasks like roofing or plumbing, you should only use professionals. You can find a contractor that offers the best value while also being of the highest caliber. Short-term rentals. Long-term rentals are frequently less profitable than short-term ones. You can charge greater rates more frequently with short-term leases. This is especially true of vacation rentals. A vacation rental may make as much money in a week as a leased home does in a month. You may make a ton of money renting out your property to tourists if you own one in a prime location. When engaging in cleaning or repair services or property management services, you'll definitely want to strike a balance, just as you would when undertaking a fix and flip. A property management business may take between 10% and 25% of your revenue, but they will also handle the advertising and office tasks you need to maintain your bookings high. Number 6. Rule of 72. How soon can you double your money? You can truly rapidly determine when you can double your money with a simple approach, the Rule of 72. The idea is straightforward. To calculate the amount of time it will take to double your money, divide 72 by the annual rate of return. For instance, it will take around 9 years to double if you get an 8% annual return. So the sooner you can double your money, the larger the return. But keep in mind that it's merely an estimate, so your number will only provide you with a rough figure. Less time will be needed to double the investment the greater the growth rate. You can increase the growth rate in one of 3 ways. Choose high-return investments, increase your investment amount, and extend your time to invest. Money doubling seems like a challenging endeavor. It's not always impossible, though. You can make it a reality with the correct plan in place and a little bit of perseverance. Your appetite for risk and your time frame for investing will play a significant role in the strategy you select. It's critical to stick to your plan and allow your money to increase gradually if you want to double it. In general, you can double your money faster the more risk you're willing to take. Building wealth takes time. And one of the biggest mistakes people make is losing patience when their money isn't increasing quickly enough.